Hey guys, hope everybody had a great weekend. It is Sunday, a little bit after 1 in the afternoon, and I'm going to go ahead and try out the new field, the 12 that I got. And I'm going to take in first thing, just do a first cook with some cornbread. I used the Lancaster for some other stuff, so this will be the first one on the field. And we'll take and get everything all mixed up. If you notice, I'm using Jiffy. I've got 4 eggs instead of 3 because I always like to add an extra egg because it seems like it makes it hold it together better. And if you look real close, I had something try to take a bite out of me a while ago. And these big red wasps, I mean, we got tons of yellow jackets, but these red ones, they really like to bite into you if they can. But anyway, he's not going to be doing that anymore, and we're going to make some cornbread. Well guys, I guess it's just a day for bugs. I looked down and this was right by me, so I had to take him out too. It's a second scorpion I found in a week, and we rarely see them in the house at all here. Alright guys, the oven and the pan is up to temperature, so I'm going to take and spray it with a little canola. Just make sure you cover everything, because I don't want this to, stick anywhere, not on the first time. And we'll pour this in, and you can hear it sizzling and see it bubbling on the edges. Now this is a 12, that's why I used 3 of the boxes, so we'll stop it right here. I'll scrape out the rest and then we'll put it in the oven. Alright guys, got it in the oven. I'm going to take and put it in for 15 minutes at 400 to see where it sits. Alright guys, she is out of the oven. If you can see that, there's good separation all the way around. I've got a little poke right there where I checked and see, and it is all the way done. We'll take and stop this real quick, and I'll flip it out and put it on the tray. Well guys, it did try to fold on me when I pulled it out. It slid out before I was ready, so I broke it a little bit, but that's okay. It eats just as good as if it didn't have the little crack in it. But the pan did perfect. So for the first cook, the Field 12 is definitely a success. Looks good. I still have not found what made this a second, because there are no marks on this pan at all. Hope y'all guys have a great Sunday, and we'll see you when we do the Wednesday video.